outcome, history will be made in this final. France aim to become the first team since Brazil in 1962 to win consecutive World Cups. For coach Didier Deschamps, a chance to emulate Italian Vittorio Pozzo's achievement from 84 years ago.
Pour moi, c'est pas moi le plus important.
I'm not the most important person. It's the French team. Obviously, I'm proud. Everyone knows we have the chance to win another title. Since we're playing a final on Sunday, that's already an excellent achievement.
C'est déjà très bien.
Like their opponents, the potential prize for Argentina is a third World Cup. They can also become the first non-European winners in 20 years.
I will try not to get too emotional. It's difficult to put into words. I'm living the dream of any Argentinian. Everyone would react like me if they were in my shoes. Whenever you play to represent your country, it's impossible not to give your all, as the players do, so it's exciting.
In a game between two teams with outstanding attacks, the respective defences could be key to victory. But France's preparation has been disrupted, with Deo Upamecano, Raphael Varane and Ibrahima Konate among those battling with illness over the last week.
Après, sur l'aspect, non, il n'y a pas de...
Regarding the virus, we're not worried really. We're taking measures and the training sessions are outdoors. The temperatures have dropped in the last few days. And you always need to be careful.
Vous devez être confronté. Vous devez avoir où vous êtes.
Their last meeting 4 years ago ended 4-3 to France in the round of 16. This time, the stakes couldn't be higher.